Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure data with Snowflake, beginner guide step by step clearly. To secure data with Snowflake, begin by logging into your Snowflake account. Navigate to the Snowflake web interface. Once logged in, select the appropriate role that has the necessary permissions. Go to the Databases section on the left sidebar. Choose the database you want to secure. Click on the Manage tab for the selected database. Here, you will find various security options. Start by setting up a secure key management solution. For this, use Snowflake's integrated key management feature. Select the option for customer-managed keys, if applicable. Generate a new encryption key using the provided tools. Store this key securely outside of Snowflake. Next, implement access controls for your data. Define roles that specify user permissions. Assign roles to users based on the principle of least privilege. Make sure to review these roles regularly. After setting roles, configure network policies. Use the Network Policies section to restrict access based on IP addresses. Ensure that only trusted networks are allowed to connect. Next, enable multi-factor authentication, or MFA. MFA adds an extra layer of security for user logins. Go to the Users section under Account Administration. Edit the settings for each user to enable MFA. Now, consider using data masking for sensitive information. Identify sensitive columns in your tables. Implement masking policies for these columns. This ensures that sensitive data is only visible to authorized users. Once these settings are configured, test the access controls. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.